So today we're going to be going over the recent purchase that I just picked up. I don't know if you guys seen pictures of it or me teasing of it, but it is the Browning SA-22. Now this is a rifle that I've wanted to get my hands on for a while. It's just finding one that's in this type of condition with the bluing still all intact. One that's Belgian made and not one of the Japanese made ones was some of the criterias that I was looking for before purchasing this rifle. So that's why it took a little bit longer than anticipated, because there is a lot of them out there, but you know, to find the conditions, it's like finding a Browning A5. That I've been trying to find a Belgian made Magnum A5, but you know, that's another gun on the list for another time. We'll find it eventually. What is cool about this rifle compared to, let's say, other 22s? I mean, probably the most well-known 22 would probably be like the Ruger 1022. This one is not magazine fed. This one is tube fed. And if you guys don't know about the Browning SA-22, it is tube fed through the stock here in the back. So the way that works is that there's a tube that you just twist and pull out, and then you just load your 22 round straight down there, boom, close your rod, twist it shut, and then now your round is loaded into the gun. Then to chamber it, you would pull back on your charging handle or your bolt, let the bolt slam forward. Now you'd be loaded. Now we're unloaded. And that's what makes this rifle cool to me, is that it loads in through the stock. It's different. I think it's 11 rounds into the stock that it'll load. Another thing that's really cool about this rifle is that, as you've seen when I took the round out, is that your empty shell casings fall through the bottom. So as you're shooting, you know, you have your bolt reciprocating back and your shells extract through the bottom of the rifle. That's another thing that's kind of cool. Also, that this is a breakdown model, or the SA-22 is a breakdown model. So this has a little switch right here that you'd switch down to lock, up to unlock, like that. And then the rifle will twist into two pieces when you pull the bolt back. Twist into two pieces, just like that. So that's another thing that makes this rifle cool to me. Other than it's a classic Browning design. I mean, as you guys know, I have several Browning rifles or guns or whatnot, and trying to get more just to find them in the condition that I want them. Those are some of the things that I like about this rifle, is that the ease of it breaking down is cool. I mean, the Ruger 1022 is similar, that it breaks down just like that, or similar to that. But yeah, this is a classic rifle. That's what, I mean, Ruger 1022s, same thing. Dime a dozen, like a Glock, like anything that's mass produced right now, don't really have as much value. If I come to you with a Ruger 1022, you're like, hey, there's 20 of them in the store around the corner. Something like this, a lot harder to get your hands on. So that's what makes it more desirable to me. More of a family heirloom, passed down, more value. And they're not making, well, they actually are making more of these. Usually that's what you say, is that they're just not making more of these. But in the Browning case, they are still making the Browning SA-22. But they're not making them in Belgium anymore. So how about that? Like I said, this is one of the Belgian-made ones. I think in like the 70s or 80s or something like that, they switched, moved their factory to Japan. Don't quote me on the years, but I know that they did switch them over to Japan. I've had opportunity to buy one. Guy fell through. Disappointed, but it worked its way out in the end, because now I have this, and this is the more desirable rifle, being that it's made in Belgium. Yeah, so I just kind of want to make a short video breaking it down, you know, showing how cool it is, at least in my opinion, how cool this is. We are going to be taking this out and shooting it. I was hoping to take it out this weekend, but it was Memorial Day weekend, and you know, other things are going down. That's a little more important than shooting, I guess. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say about this gun. I mean, other than it is just gorgeous. The blowing's all intact. I mean, there's little light scratches here and there on the stock, but really minimal for how old this is. I mean, it is just a gorgeous rifle. Man. So we're going to be doing some more we're going to do some more videos on it, at least shooting it. We're showing it, you know, loading through the stock, showing it, you know, shell cases coming through the bottom, just all the things that make this rifle cool in my opinion. But that is it. So thank you guys for watching, being here, subscribing. I know that we just hit 1,500 subscribers, and that's pretty cool. I'd like to make a lot more longer form content videos. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem like anybody likes the longer form content. Everybody just likes shorts. But yeah, who cares? I mean, for this thing, I could look at it all day. But we'll make some more videos. We need to make some more videos shooting and just get some more fun videos out there of just having a good time at the range. So once again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you do enjoy the content. If you do, like I said, like everyone says, leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. But have a great day.